It may be hard for me to remember all the lessons easily because of the short period of time, but I am satisfied with what I have learned and I am willing to explore and learn more in the future. During our entrepreneurship session, you need to get out of your comfort zone because there's a lot of opportunities. It was also mentioned how important it is to become business-minded by having good ideas, a good plan, and willingness to take risks and accept failures if they happen. I am a loner and introverted person, but I respect others a lot. This training helped me overcome some of my fears and doubts through participating, listening, cooperating, and doing teamwork with others. In this training, I learned how to communicate with others because di man po pwede mag-inusara. As a team, we need to cooperate and help each other during activities. There were challenges along the way, especially on how to manage and accept other people's differences, particularly on my side na wala maanad o socialize o makihalubilo sa daghang tao. Thank God, I was able to handle it just in time, I guess. Anyway, I came here to learn, and now I can proudly say that I am a TESDA scholar and a completer. Lastly, during our institutional assessment, I was a little nervous, feeling nako kaya ra nako, pero medyo worried ko kay lintanon jud kaay ko. Mao nga naadyo ko nalimtan ng mga tubag. Pero pasalamat gihapon ko kay it served as a lesson and reminder for me to study more and focus better. I thank God for everything that has happened, and I continue praying for a good outcome in the final assessment.